Hey, IT expert.
Yes, boss.
Mr. Muff want me to tell him what the errors in our contract. But there are 49 errors need to ask and discuss with him. Go faster way.
Boss, I can help you to install an extension called Awesome Screenshot. You can just
Bro, I know you're IT hero. Can you help me to brief with him?
Call me IT Hero!
Boss, I can teach you lah. Very easy one. Just 4 steps. Press the icon, screenshot, edit the photo, share. 搞掂.
Well, then what's the difference with the app you introduced last time?
Well, boss, they are both free and no installation required. Just simply add it via Chrome Store. But Awesome Screenshot is more suitable for immediate discussion because it's using screenshot. Of course, the viewers also can comment on the screenshot. The point is, sometimes video conferencing are just too formal and we prefer to chat just to brief for some micro tasks. Boss, I teach you how to step by step.
It's okay, bro. It's okay, bro. I'll find a day when I'm free. I'll ask you how to use lah.
Boss, very easy.
I know.
Really, very easy.
I know. By the way, can you please help just for this time?
But boss.
Oh yeah, and also tell him this Saturday dinner cancelled dia.
But I don't know your.
Cause I'm rushing to a meeting now. You just tell him what we discussed this morning lah. Okay? Ciao. Hey, you do a video of the app lah. I will subscribe and watch it when I'm free, yo. Thanks IT expert.
IT Hero!
Leave your comment. Ask useful question. Don't act like my boss.